Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
They are beautiful and smart and are pretty easy to install. Caseta from Lutron is out with smart wood blinds made from North American Basswood that start at a flat price of $429 for all blinds up to 48 inches wide by 80 inches high. We're impressed with the quality and design. We've come to expect that from Lutron. And about these smarts, the company's Melissa Andresko says,
So your blinds are actually going to tilt to stay one step ahead of the sun to make sure that that beautiful morning light is being let in at the right time. And then when it might be the sun's getting a little lower and it could be the UV rays hitting a floor or some furniture, those slats are going to tilt accordingly.
The blinds operate for years on batteries, so no wiring. For more, head to CasetaWireless.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The Haven 10,000 lantern is a smartly designed, beautiful solar light that you will love indoors or out. It is waterproof with up to 1,200 lumens of brightness. That's a lot of light. And the base becomes a flashlight at the push of a button. The power comes from a built-in lithium-ion battery recharged by the sun. The solar panel is built in, or USB-C. The battery can even recharge your phone. Did we mention how durable it is? How it folds down and can run for up to 120 hours on a charge? But the real power of the Haven Lantern comes from the people behind it and their mission to provide this quality lighting to those in the world who need it most, including in disaster emergencies. Your purchase helps to fund those efforts, and if you use the code Techstination20, you'll get it at a 20% discount. That's Techstination20 at havenlantern.com. Create your haven.